last date of hearing.
Last date of hearing में इसमें report call करी.
My lord,
Yes.
I'll come this point, my lord. My lord, last date of hearing, I have filed the application for intervener along with the application for dismissal of the said writ petition, my lord, as it is not maintainable because, my lord, it is to my lord, kindly see IA number 3744/2000.
3744/2025. Yes.
My lord, please kindly come to the page number 20 of this IA.
To file charge sheet.
No, yes, he wants that the police has filed the charge sheet in this case. What I am trying to show, my lord, please kindly see, come to page number 20. This on the basis of the said FIR, this petitioner has filed suit under section 11 of the Hindu Marriage Act. That is the rejected. My lord, for a moment, please kindly come to page number 22, my lord. इसी का page number 22, my lord. My lord, got it? Page number 22. SIA का.
Yes.
My lord, paragraph 5, my lord. Please kindly see. आवेदक ने अनावेदिका के विरुद्ध छलपूर्वक विवाह करने, गहने और रुपये ले जाने की प्रथम सूचना रिपोर्ट दिनांक 2/3/2024 को थाना कोतवाली जगह टीकमगढ़ पर लिपिबद्ध कराई थी। पुलिस टीकमगढ़ द्वारा अपराध क्रमांक 1600 पंजीकृत किया गया। तो दिस इज द सेम अपराध है ना। इस मामले में अनावेदिका माननीय उच्च न्यायालय के आदेशानुसार जमानत पर मुक्त है। आवेदक एवं अनावेदिका के मध्य विवाह के बाद वैवाहिक फिर ये संभव नहीं होने के कारण तथा अनावेदिका द्वारा पूर्व विवाह की जानकारी नहीं दी जाकर छलपूर्वक आवेदिका से दूसरा विवाह किए होने से विवाह शून्य है। अनावेदिका आवेदिका के विरुद्ध धारा 498 भारतीय दंड संहिता 3-4 दहेज अधिनियम का प्रकरण, भरण पोषण याचिका और धारा 12 घरेलू हिंसा से महिलाओं के संरक्षण अधिनियम के प्रकरण प्रचलित कर रही है और झूठे मामले में फंसाने की धमकी दे रही है। देन माय लॉर्ड, एंटायर evidence, my lord, of the said crime has been considered by the Honorable Family Court. Now, my lord, please kindly come to page number 31, my lord.
Yes.
Page number 31, my lord.
Yes.
Paragraph 30, my lord. अतः विचारणी बिंदु क्रमांक 1 के संबंध में यह निष्कर्ष दिया जाता है कि यह प्रमाणित नहीं होता है कि आवेदक तथा अनावेदिका के मध्य दिनांक 14/2/2024 को सागर मध्य प्रदेश में अनुष्ठित विवाह शून्य है। एंटायर केस इनका यही है कि सर इनका दूसरे से अफेयर चलता था, उनसे शादी छुपा के हमसे शादी। दिस इशू हैज बीन माय लॉर्ड डिसाइडेड बाय द माय लॉर्ड ऑनरेबल फैमिली कोर्ट। एंड
आप क्या चाहते हैं? व्हाट यू वांट?
एंड मेरा हमने सर
पिटिशनर हमारी ये प्रेयर है। 2/3/2024 को हमने FIR लॉन्च की थी। आज 1 साल कंप्लीट हो गया, उसके बाद भी चालान पेश नहीं हुआ। इसमें ये एक्यूज जो है ये स्टेट क्लोजर रिपोर्ट फाइल कर दीजिए। नहीं, FIR तो दर्ज करी है ना?
जी हाँ, FIR दर्ज करी है और इनको जमानत भी मिल गई है, इसलिए जमानत पर।
So why you are keeping it pending with you?
इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं, बुलाया है इनको जमानत सारे
1 साल हो गया है।
लैपटॉप वगैरह सब बुलवाए हैं, वो आ नहीं रहे हैं थाने में।
लैपटॉप हमने जमा कर दिया।
इनका ही लैपटॉप था, 1.25 साल बाद इनने जमा किया है।
इनके मोबाइल के लिए इनसे बोला गया कि मोबाइल जब्त कराएं, तो इनने ये तोड़कर फेंक दिया और इन्वेस्टिगेशन में ये So what relief you want? से हमारी ये प्रेयर है कि 1 साल कंप्लीट हो गया है, इनने एंटीसिपेटरी बेल भी ले ली है, लेकिन चालान आज तक पेश नहीं हुआ। कहीं से कोई स्टे नहीं है, कोई इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं कर रहे हैं। बस
अब
तो आपको कंप्लीट तो करना पड़ेगा इन्वेस्टिगेशन। नहीं कर रहे सर, ये कंप्लीट द इन्वेस्टिगेशन आपको जिस भी डायरेक्शन में करना।
इसी पॉइंट पे सर, whether this writ petition is maintainable or not, please kindly page number, come to my lord, page number 40, my lord. Of the said page number 40, my lord.
40?
40. This is the copy, my lord. Get it, something.
40 of petition?
40 of application for dismissal of the said writ petition as not IA number का ये 37.
Yes.
My lord, in this case, my lord, the landed council for the petitioner for permissible withdrawal of this petition with authority to approve the concerned magistrate under whose jurisdiction police station so and so with a prayer for expeditiously investigation and its completion. Now, my lord, in DNSS, my lord, 175(3), my lord, make a provision which says, my lord, any magistrate empowered under section 210 may, after considering the application supported by an affidavit made under section 4 of section 173 and after making such inquiry as he thinks necessary and submission made in this regard, by police officer order such an investigation as above mentioned. So he is a remedy, my lord. He has filed the applications under section 175(3) of PNSS, my lord, before the court below. And subsequently, my lord, I invite to pay attention of this honorable court, my lord. Please kindly see
You are
Annex
reading 175?
175(3) of
Yes.
BNSS.
Yes.
This is the, my lord, 175, my lord. Please kindly see, my lord, 175(3). Make a specific provision in this regard,
I am having.
my lord, my lord. And subsequently, my lord, I have a, my lord, filed the one writ petition because, my lord, this false case is registered, my lord, without any preliminary inquiry, my lord, in contrary to the principle laid down by the Lalita Kumari judgment, my lord, in which, my lord, prior to lodging this FIR, my lord, preliminary inquiry is mandatory. So, my lord, please kindly see Annex P4, my lord. This is the order passed by this honorable court on the same crime number, filed by the petitioner. Please kindly see Annex P4, my lord. P4, my lord. My lord, what?
P4.
P4, my lord.
Yes.
This is the filed by the petitioner, my lord, along with these orders and other materials, my lord. This shows because the, my lord, petitioner is a, my lord, primary teacher, government employee, my lord.
Yes.
And my lord had passed the observation, that is the page number 26, my lord. Annex P4 ka page 26, my lord. My lord, got it? Paragraph 5, my lord.
Yes.
There is no warrant to the judgment passed by the apex court in the case of Pooja Pal versus Union of India and others.
That is disposed of.
Disposed of, but he says, my lord, it is dismissed. But, my lord, in lastly observe, he is free to the investigation independently. It is his decision whether he has to follow an investigation further or on evidence which has been produced by the accuser.
Yes.
अब इसका वो सर मिस इंटरप्रिटेशन कर रहे हैं क्योंकि सेम सब्जेक्ट मैटर पे फैमिली कोर्ट की ये आ गई तो उन्हीं के द्वारा ये कहा गया
अरे
कि
भाई ये चार्जशीट क्यों नहीं फाइल?
चार्जशीट या क्लोजर रिपोर्ट जो भी रहे, my lord, टाइम पीरियड.
Petitioner has filed this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, being agreed by inaction of respondent police authorities in filing charge sheet or closure report. It is submitted that FIR was registered at crime number 236/24 at police station Kotwali, Tikamgarh. Full stop. After registration of FIR, date क्या है?
इसकी डेट है, my lord,
2/3/2024.
2/3/2024.
2/3/24. Final charge sheet has not been filed. It is submitted that investigating officer may file final charge sheet or closure report, full stop, but may file charge sheet or closure report. Investigating officer shall conclude the investigation within some limited time frame and may not unnecessarily keep it pending for long.
My lord.
Government advocate submitted that for court in accordance with law. Considering aforesaid submission, that petition is disposed of, directing investigating officer to complete investigation within some reasonable period of time and file charge sheet or closure report. Full stop. Said investigation be concluded within period of 30 days from today.
इसको, my lord.
No opinion has been expressed by this court on merits of the case. If investigating officer files closure report, then petitioner will be at liberty to challenge the same before the court.
My lord.
यहाँ मत आइएगा.
Yes.
Yes. Before trial.
My lord, in this petition, my lord, my hospital is logged by the, my lord, the CMHO by Annexer P7, page 34, my lord. Saying that, my lord,